Hi, want to change icon's color on the iPhone 16? Then press and hold any free space on the screen till everything will start shaking and you'll see this edit option. So select the customized one and now you can see the different styles for your icons. The first one, light, is default one, so everything will look like it is looking right now. And now we can see this dark option. So now the icons are more fun, and also you can make them large if you tap on this option. And also you can make your background, your wallpaper more visible or more dark like that. Here you can also switch to the automatic option, and in the tinted one you can choose the color by yourself just by dragging the sliders left or right. For example, let's make them blue, and here is how it will look. Also, you can select this icon, then select the color, and you will see your result on the home page. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.